Help desk data migration can be done easily with the automated migration service. So, let's go through the preparation steps and Jira Service Management demo migration. To prepare for data import to Jira, you need to set up the corresponding users on Jira, create matching custom fields, increase the size limit of attachments users can add to requests, enable the public sign-up settings to migrate contacts. Now, let's move on to demo migration. First, create an account with Migration Wizard or sign in with the existing one. Then choose your source platform. To connect your current help desk, you need to fill in the required credentials or sign in with your source account. Afterward, connect Jira Service Management as your target platform. You should provide your URL, username, and API token. Then, choose the issue the project where you are going to import data. Now pick the records you want to transfer. Then match agents' profiles. Click on Match Items to map agents. Finally, you can also choose a default agent. The next step is to map ticket fields. When migrating to Jira Service Management, you can map both default and custom fields. Do it carefully to preserve data relations. Here you can also create missing custom fields. When you've mapped fields, press on Save to apply settings. Then map article fields. You can also customize your Jira Service Management migration on your own. Just choose the needed automated options. When migrating to Jira, you can choose to add a tag to the migrated tickets, skip attachments. Other options will depend on your source help desk. Lastly, click on Continue to launch demo migration. Our tool moves 20 random tickets and articles from your current help desk to Jira Service Management during this data import. When your demo migration is complete, you will see a table with 4 columns. All available records, migrated records, failed records, skipped records. Look through the results by downloading reports on migrated, failed, and skipped records. When everything looks great, choose the needed support plan and proceed to payment. Now you can launch the full data migration.